Ragazzi, chef, welcome from Maestro Vito Capelli. Today we have something special here. I mean, take a look of this pizza.
We did a beautiful Naples style with type 1 flour. And
yes,
I believe it comes out perfectly. And
now we're just gonna show you how to make this amazing Neapolitan pizza with type 1 flour. Giusto Paolo?
TIPO1, yes, type 1 flour. We did with some polish. We did the same kind of Vito's dough. We just used type 1 flour.
Fantastic.
And it's beautiful, it's light.
Very nice crust.
Very nice.
Make sure after this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go see how to make this amazing recipe. Okay, we need 3 liters of room temperature water, 45 grams of sea salt per liter, so times 3 is about 135 grams of sea salt. 1 kilo, so 450 grams of flour, type 1 per liter water. So we have 4,350 grams of type 1 flour. In this case we use the Petra 3 type 1. And of course this recipe is made with our polish, made with type 1, 24 hours fermented. In this case we put 1 kilo of polish. Polish is a pre-fermented dough made with just 5 grams of dry yeast. If you use fresh yeast, go ahead and use 10 grams. Done. Then 1 liter of water, room temperature, and 1 kilo of flour. Now, simply, we go ahead and add the yeast. Mix it up, simply, and then let's go ahead and let's put the water, little by little. Voila. Nicely done. Let's mix it up everything together. 1 litro di acqua, 1 chilo di farina e 5 grammi di lievito secco. Se usate il lievito di birra andate a mettere 10 grammi. Mischiamo per bene. Ecco qua. Voila. There we go. Done. First thing to do here is let's go ahead and let's put the water. Then let's put our polish. Polish is a pre-fermented dough which makes the dough a little bit more fragrant than you'll see at the end of this video. Polish in, let's melt the polish this way in the water. Let's go ahead and let's put half amount of the flour. And let's mix it up until it's all together. There we go, now is the time of the salt. Let's put the salt little by little, not all together. Now at this point, let's go ahead and let's put the rest of the flour. Let's mix up the dough for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Did you see the dough is getting all together? The goal here is to make the flour integrated with the water and the polish and the salt. Now the dough is ready after 15 minutes. We notice that the dough machine is nice and clean. This is of course a high hydration dough. So let's go ahead and let's get a container. Now let's get our dough. Let's try to make a big ball. You can do this in the counter, no problem. It's more easy. There we go. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's cover the dough with a plastic wrap. Just like that. We're gonna let it rest for 1 hour at room temperature. Si passa l'impasto, eccolo qua dopo un'ora. Bella zio! 1 hour after, aspetta, spieghiamo un attimo. This is 1 hour after we made the dough Neapolitan style with type 1. Ecco qui, un'ora dopo, l'impasto si è rafforzato.
Adesso li andiamo a fare la pallina e la andiamo a lasciare lievitare ancora una volta.
So now it's gonna go ahead and create a big bowl to integrate more air to the dough. This way we have the big, full of air, the dough with a nice puffy, since this one is type 1 flour.
Andiamo a riempire la pasta di aria. Siamo pronti per fare la pallina.
Wow, molto soffice. Sembri un cowboy, sembri. Wow, Paolo! Sembri un cowboy, sembri, Paolo. Un pasto molto soffice, bello. Formiamo una grande palla. This makes the dough with full of more hair inside, and I cosiddetti alveoli. So now we're gonna let it rest for now we let it rest for about 20 minutes, and then we are going to make the balls.
Pizza balls.
The pizza balls. The pizza balls. Of course, we have to cover this, or no?
Let's do it right away.
Yeah, let's cover this. And here we go, guys. The dough is nice and ready, nice and smooth, ready to go ahead, and let's make the balls. Via! Paolo, siamo pronti a fare le palline qui. Wow! Full of air. Fare le nostre palline. Nice. Vai Paolo, tu da un lato, io dall'altro. So now we're gonna make the balls about 250 to 280 grams of wow, I can tell that it's full of air. This is how you make the balls. Close inside, and then we want to make the dough nice and smooth. Wow, just like that. Inside. To see how to make the balls, go ahead in my channel and see how to make the balls by Maestro Vito Jacopelli. The dough balls, of course. And done. Now let's get a box and let's put our dough balls in the container. Now that we have put all the dough balls in the container, just like that, we let it rest for about 1 hour to 2 hours at room temperature. If you don't use it, you can go ahead, make it grow at the point that they are ready, and then you block it in the fridge. So now, let's wait 1 hour to 2 hours, depends on the room temperature. We have air conditioner here, so probably it's gonna take 1 hour and a half, something between. Let's wait. And here you go, amazing dough is ready, and let's go ahead and let's make it. And let's see the pizza. Put it on the flour, just a little bit. Now we're gonna stretch. Done. Let's take off all the flour and let's go ahead and let's make the classic margherita pizza. Tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese, and some fresh mozzarella. A little bit of olive oil. Let's pinch it and let's go in the oven. A little bit larger. We want a pizza, 12 inches pizza. Let's go in the oven. Can't wait to see the results of this pizza. I can't believe my eyes. Wow! Wow! Let's see it closely. Out of this world. Let's go ahead and let's complete this pizza. And the pizza is nicely done. Cioè, Paolo, qua devi venire qua, Paolo, per piacere, vieni qua, dobbiamo assaggiarla.
Sì, non mi tiro mai indietro io.
L'abbiamo distrutta, l'abbiamo. God! Wow, Paolo, che è successo? La stavi operando? Abbassati un po' così ci vedono qui amici.
No, ho distrutto un pezzo perché volevo vedere la mollica dentro, di come è bella ovaliata.
Madonna mia, madonna.
Questa me la mangio veloce.
Wow!
È leggerissima. Very light, very light.
After this video, we know that we can make Neapolitan pizza with type 1 flour. Giusto Paolo? Dillo in italiano, dillo dai.
Adesso sappiamo che possiamo fare una buona pizza con stile napoletano anche con la farina tipo 1. Perché no?
Perché no? Thank you so much for watching guys.
Thank you. Ciao, grazie.
I'll see you at the next one. Ciao!
Ciao.